esusu se omo pe the glory days akọ Africa and I say omo probi obe lead omo ama omo akọ peja Kotoko Africa no Africa. Then media I think it has to be Coach Karim Zito. But the question is Kotoko appointed Karim Zito no Kotoko at the technical structure be two Ghana almost say oh yeah acting coaching now. They say oh yeah acting coach now currently. It the presser now the unveiling Coach Karim Zito. There was a questioner from one of the media guys Coach Karim Zito was saying after the short period wababefa at Kotoko say assessing as a technical director and also as a coach.
But you see, let me tell you one thing. As it stands, Coach Karim Zito Enya obey the head coach of Kotoko.
Not
the chance
the
obey
technical.
the technical director.
Exclusive man or no?
Komobia Medino. As it stands.
Okay.
So nya obey the head coach. No jinaho. To Tonyama, Emma Kotoko, than being
especially say Kotoko Besa call either Confederation or
the Champions League. Than so obey the technical director. Assistance. Mean Koma Medino.
So again, based on Nkuma Udino, so I prefer say obey the leading head coach. Then I was say empenyimfo and so considerate. But say oye the coach Kotoko should also fetch someone or also that highly technical obetimi be assume position na komode mazito no. So far so good. Obefa adwumadie no. Eugene, one thing people around Ghana and I say within Ghana football intimi acknowledge Zito team they say we team provided a very compact defense. The last competitive games our bringing in a clean sheets. And I was saying improvise even though say Justice play a utility player at Kotoko. But only role now or the man as the right back now. Ama Kotoko enya that balance when defending and also when attacking. So I think say Kotoko they see omo current position any omo vision say they want to go back to the CAF competitions and go and make an indelible mark for the club. Now omo a head coach there media straight away Zito, but it's going to be a competition between Zito and coach of CK Akono. But the Zito are slightly ahead of CK. He said CK has been sidelined for a period, but Zito is active and activeness no crano. The last time a Ghanaian club Ekwaku making wonders, Ekwaku making history at the CAF stage, Zito. Yebekaya, those were the days about Ghanaian clubs. It me PM Egobo semi-final. Ghanaian clubs, it me PM Egobo final. It will be the maiden edition of the Confederation. You have two Ghanaian clubs, Kotoko and Haas, Omobo the Confederation's Cup when it was amended. If you go, not Ghanaian clubs, it mean drew that stage of CAF competitions. It's hard to take Karim Zito any Dreams FC and the sad wonders for Ghana ever on my name. I mean, I say, am I poor efficient? No, I very good. Say, you bet me at the 4 clubs based on Omomwago performing for Omaino set Omoko CAF competition. No, so I think say Kotoko epese Omoko na ogo making name Africa there. No more head coach. They have Obibeka say ye twefufu amanato enkwan. They've been very swift say on one point Zito and Zito so duma why oye any kwan a or impose confidence e wo Kotoko rant anymore. you could see say indeed he needs to continue. Should they be in a position say on person go good football Africa? Ule kwaya Kotoko etimi asesa that narratives when playing against Beku Chelsea Krana. I could tell you say if Zito lead team na sa adie no sa mark na Kotoko epese odu kafa o make it for himself no, I think Zito can lead the team because recently or the Dreamers FC koye and Osha Kotoko adwuma na oyesisi no e kire say Kotoko e that quality of talent na ka say that talent Kotoko e at omu disposal no talent no beba into good use and Zito ashade because there are some players be a Eugene under the previous coach we didn't see them to be top performers. Henry Kwame is an example. Wisdom Bassey is an example.
Is it because they were not given the opportunity and I said when your opportunity but now and
let me say they were not top performers, but under Zito they are performing. So whatever is making them perform, the credit goes to Zito. That's what I say. So I think based on Obese Jumasino, the directions, the style of work, and the confidence imposed in the boys, Eugene, I think Omunye more confidence. No more man of that position as the head coach. No for team no encore the glory land or calf competition. Make a Eugene. He is one of the coaches. Utimi provide talent out of nowhere. Currently, open coaches within the system. Bet me a talent when there seems to be no confidence. There's Karim Zito and Kotoko. I'm here who say they want their junior club and also on the juvenile side to be very solid and a feeder to the senior team. And this is a coach. He has that attribute. Intermediate. My opinion, dear Eugene, Zito is suitable as compared to names now on your mopren.
Mate, me da say, ni go si say.
Me ne Attakora nya adwene.
One ne nya adwene.
De o ka ti